Do you feel tired no matter how much sleep you get? You might think it's just stress or a busy lifestyle, but it could be something more. Sleep apnea affects millions of people worldwide, and many don't even know they have it. It happens when your airway gets blocked during sleep, causing you to stop breathing for short moments. This can lead to restless sleep, constant fatigue, and even increase your risk for serious health issues like heart disease and stroke. If you're experiencing loud snoring, waking up gasping for air, or feeling exhausted even after a full night's rest, talk to your doctor about getting tested for sleep apnea. Treatments like CPAP therapy can dramatically improve your quality of life. Remember, a good night's sleep is more than just rest, it's key to a healthier life. Subscribe for more quick health facts.